Hello, welcome back to my channel, Mom About Crafts. We are going to make keto crepes on my new Le Creuset crepe pan. I hope you like it. So I just got this from Le Creuset and it's a crepe pan. So excited, and I'm going to make some keto crepes. For the ingredients, we're going to need almond flour. We're going to need 3/4 of a cup. I already put it here because I sifted, so it's fine. Almond flour. Then we're going to need some almond milk. I use this one unsweetened, vanilla flavor from Trader Joe's. And we're going to need 1/4 of a cup. Then we need 4 eggs. Then only 4 ounces, it's an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, so I'm using half of it, 4 ounces. For sweetener, I'm using a WholeEarth sweetener sugar. This is a mix of stevia with monk fruit. We're gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then some coconut oil for spray the pan. And to put inside the crepe, I'm using this hazelnut spread with cocoa. It's organic. I got it at Amazon. It's keto-friendly, and it has total carbs 21 grams minus 11 grams of fiber, so that's 10 minus the erythritol, that is a sugar alcohol, so minus 8, that comes to 2 net carbs per serving, that is 2 tablespoons, so that's perfect. So first I'm going to put the cream cheese. I put 4 ounces, and now I'm going to, it's been out for a little bit so it will be softer, and we're gonna cream it to be easier for us. This is getting creamier. We're gonna add the eggs. Okay, as you may know, I like to crack the eggs in a separate bowl, and I'm going to mix them here so it'll be easier. It's kind of tricky when you mix something with the cream cheese. Okay, so I'm going to add here the vanilla as well. So 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add that to the cream cheese. We're going to add little by little. And we're just going to try to see how it has little pieces of cream cheese. We not try to like smash them in there. Okay, so you can see still a little bit tiny pieces of the cream cheese that didn't dissolve. I'm gonna work it out to be almost all dissolved. Now we're going to add the 1/4 of a cup of almond milk. now I'm going to add the sugar. Now this is 2 tablespoons. So we put 1, 2. Mixing. Okay, so now we're going to add the almond flour little by little. Put a little bit. Mix. A little bit. Mix. And the last one. Make sure we get the sides. And it's getting thicker, but it's still liquid. Okay, and now make sure you get all the sides. And we have a liquid consistency. Okay, and we're gonna let it rest for 10 minutes. Okay, so I turn it on to medium heat. And now we're going to put some of the coconut oil spray. And let it heat up a little bit more. And I'm going with a silicone spatula. I'm gonna make sure everything has oil. I also have this that is gonna help me to rotate the crepe in water. So by the time we're gonna put it, we have to make sure we take, the water out. Okay, this pan is very heavy because it's cast iron and it gets hot on the handle, so I put this cover so I won't get burned. Okay, and we're gonna put one of this and probably a little more. And we have this little spatula that comes with, and this is for the sides. And then I'll flip it just with a regular spatula. You can lift it with this and you cannot see. I think it's good. bit. Make sure all the sides are touching the other side. This we cannot check. And we're just gonna transfer it to the plate. And I'm gonna wait for it to cool down, and we can put our healthy hazelnut spread inside. Okay, so this recipe gives me about 5 crepes. So I have one here, and I'm gonna use the hazelnut spread. This hazelnut spread is a little liquid compared to Nutella, so it's perfect for spreading in here. So I'm gonna do a layer, thin layer, because remember, per serving is 2 tablespoons. So we don't want to put too much neither. Of course, that 3 tablespoons is gonna, 2 tablespoons is only 2 grams of net carbs, because we're gonna drizzle some. And now we gonna roll it. And we grab a little bit and just put on top. It's a drizzle of it. And voila! You have a chocolate keto crepes that I made on my new Le Creuset crepe pan. See? Oh, it is delicious. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, put thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.